Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Blessing. Guys, in today's video I'll be sharing with you how I prepare my home remedy for cough. Okay guys, these are all the ingredients we are going to be using for this home remedy. Here we have honey. Honey helps boost your immune system. Honey is also antibacterial. And here we also have ginger. Ginger is anti-inflammatory, so we are going to be using this ginger. Guys, here we have red onion. Red onion reduces cholesterol and is also anti-inflammatory property. And here we have 2 lemon. Lemon contains a high amount of vitamin C. Guys, here we have garlic. Garlic helps control cholesterol and blood pressure. Guys, let's get started. Okay guys, here I have my honey and we will be using half of this honey. Okay. Okay. I've washed my ingredients, so I will just go ahead and slice everything. I've added all the ingredients into the honey. Keep mixing, and when you are done mixing guys, cover it and keep it till tomorrow. And by tomorrow morning, all you have to do is to take 2 tablespoons in the morning, 2 in the afternoon, and 2 before bedtime. And for your kids, 2 teaspoons in the morning, 2 in the afternoon, and 2 before bedtime. Guys, this remedy is very effective. It's very effective. Okay guys, we have come to the end of today's video. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please kindly do. And for my returning subscribers, oh my god, you guys are so amazing. You guys are so amazing. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.